In this explainer video, we look at how to use artificial intelligence, or AI, to extract text from video. This process is known as real-time AI transcription. Go to videotranslator.ai and select Free Trial. Key in your email address and sign up. English is chosen by default. Optionally, select up to 3 additional languages. Each selection allows you to transcribe audio or video in that language. Key in your details, pick a password, and setup is complete. Once enrolled, depending on your selection, several templates may be present. Earlier, we picked German, English, and Chinese. We'll be transcribing an English video today, so select the English template, pick a name, and a new item will open. Upload your video, and then click the Action button, and then click Transcribe. It's important that we select an appropriate dialect. Our video is in Australian English. Picking the right dialect improves AI accuracy. We could embed the captions directly by checking Embed Transcription. This may take some time for larger files. However, today we'll use a different technique. Accept to deduct the cost from your balance and trigger the transcription. Once complete, return to the Captions tab. It is recommended that you do post-editing, checking for inaccuracies. Optionally, for social media such as LinkedIn or Facebook, where videos play auto-muted, we can embed open captions into our video. Click on Action button again, select Auto Overlay. This embeds or permanently burns the captions into the video. A good choice is yellow text, font 30, with a blue highlight or stripe. In a few minutes, your captioned video is ready. Download the video or simply the captions and publish to your social media. Congratulations!